Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, today I'm going to be trying a couple of products from Merit Beauty, and I am so excited to be filming this video. Like, I have the items sitting in front of me and I'm just so excited. Before we get started, I feel like maybe not all of you have heard of Merit Beauty before, so I just want to give you a quick little rundown about the brand. Basically, the main vibe of Merit Beauty is that they sell makeup that looks like you, so it's very much like a minimalist beauty brand, and I have been loving that kind of makeup lately, so I think that's part of why I'm so excited today. They are a clean beauty brand, which obviously we love. On their about page it says, "We're the antidote to the oversaturated world of beauty, well-edited essentials that have earned a place on your vanity. We believe in products that leave your skin looking better after wearing them. We added skin-loving ingredients into our formulas: plant-based squalene, vitamin B5, and antioxidants." So overall, very good things. So that's a little bit about the brand. Like I said, I have 4 products from them to try today. So let's go ahead and zoom in, get you a little closer, and we can take a look at these products. The first product that I want to try today from Merit Beauty is actually their lipstick. What I have here is the Signature Lip Lightweight Lipstick. It's a hydrating, buildable lipstick with soft satin finish. It's so lightweight that you'll forget you're wearing it. The shade that I have is called Slip, and it's described as a warm neutral. And just take a minute and look at this packaging and tell me this is not like the prettiest packaging you've seen in a hot minute. This feels very luxurious. That's a word I have a hard time saying. It feels very luxurious. It is so beautiful. This is what the lipstick looks like. Look at that. So gorgeous. Like I said, this is the shade Slip. Let's try and give you guys a little hand swatch. Ooh, I am very glad I chose this color. Look at that. I think this is going to be such a nice nude for my skin tone. Let's go ahead and put it on. This literally blends in with my natural lip color. Ooh, I like this a lot. You guys know on my channel, I am a sucker for lip products. I love lip products, and I really like this color. I think if you are similar in skin tone to me, definitely try this shade. I think it's very pretty and I can't stop looking at myself. But yes, this is what the lipstick looks like on my lips. It is very much a neutral color, but it gives your lips a little bit of life compared to just like, you know, a beige. But yeah, so far I love it. The next product that I have to try is called the Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and I have the shade Cava, and this is described as a champagne color. This is what it looks like. Look at how beautiful this is. The packaging of all of these products, it is just so luxurious, and like it's so satisfying to hold in your hands. I love that. Just reading the description off the website: made for the daytime, this highlighter gives a dewy, balmy sheen with zero sparkle. I love this type of product, so I have a feeling I'm really gonna like this, but let's give it a shot. I definitely feel like this product would be good with your fingers, but because I already have foundation on, I'm gonna use it with my sponge. Let me give you a swatch first. Let's go right beside the lipstick. Ooh, look at that. I am a sucker for anything shiny, so I think I'm really gonna like this. Okay, I'm gonna take the butt of my sponge and just kind of dab it here, and let's apply it to the high points of my cheeks. I didn't use that much, but you can see there's a glow. Okay, look at this side. This is just my foundation, and then this is the highlighter. This is really pretty. Okay, let's do the other side, and then if I want to put some more, we can put some more. This is beautiful. It looks like it's coming from under your skin. It doesn't look like you applied like a powder highlighter, for example. It just looks like your skin. What I also wanted to do with this highlighter was put it in my inner corners, because it's been a hot minute since I've had highlighter in my inner corners. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just dab it on the product and let's just pop that right on the inner corner. Because it is a balm texture, it's definitely more subtle on the inner corner than if you were to use a powder highlighter, but I actually really like that. Oh yeah, look at that. We are glowing and I'm here for it. All right, so this is what the Day Glow Highlighting Balm looks like on my skin. Like I said, I have the shade Cava, which is like the champagne gold shade. The other shade they have is a rose gold. I gravitate more towards champagne type of highlights. So yeah, I really like it. All right, let's move on to the next item. The next thing that I have to try, and I feel like this is one item that definitely is gonna draw people into the brand. This is the Flush Balm Cheek Color, and it's basically a cream blush. Look at this packaging. Look at this packaging. I'm really into how this is just like a dome shape. Something about that is very satisfying in my brain. I have the color Beverly Hills, and I'll give you guys a swatch. This is the blush shade on my hands. So this is a cream tint that melts into skin for lit from within color that stays flush all day. Recently, I've just been absolutely obsessed with blush, so I have very high hopes for this. I feel like it's kind of made for you to just draw right on your face. So I'm gonna do that because I don't share my makeup with anyone. I'm not like a makeup artist. I don't do other people's makeup. So I'm just gonna rub this directly on my face. All right, let's give ourselves, I don't know how much to use. Okay, I think we can do more than that. Okay, let's start off with that. I'm gonna take my brush. This is just a flat top brush. And I'm just going to blend that right into my cheeks. Ooh, I really like how it looks beside the highlighter. I feel like they're kind of blending together, and that is gorgeous. I love this shade. I might have to get another one. This definitely seems like the kind of formula that you can layer on top of itself and build it up if you want like a super, super bright blush. So we might have to try that, but let's go in on the other side. Also, this blends out so easily. Like, look how quick that was. And like, we're blended. We're completely blended. I'm getting excited because I really like this. I do want to try layering it on top of itself. So this time I'm going to take my brush and just kind of dab it into the ball, into the dome. Just like that. Tap it right on top. I like that the formula isn't disrupting my foundation that I have underneath. It's working really, really well with my other products. You can't say that for every cream blush or every liquid blush. Trust me, I've tried a lot of them. I am obsessed with how my complexion looks. Something about this is very much giving me like Bridgerton vibes. Tell me if you're feeling that as well. I feel like something about the highlighter and the blush together, it's giving Bridgerton, and I'm here for it. Very quickly, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna add some powder to my T-zone because we're looking a little sweaty in my T-zone, just around my nose. And then when I come back, we are going to try out the last product. Okay, and the last product that I have to talk about from Merit Beauty today, this is the Clean Lash Lengthening Tubing Mascara. The description says, your go-to mascara for every day. Tubing technology, tints, lengthens, and lifts lashes with no smudging ever. Look at how sophisticated this looks, like with the black and gold. So this is what the wand looks like. I think it's a pretty medium-sized wand. I feel like some mascaras, the wands are so huge that it's kind of inevitable that you're gonna, you know, mess up your eyeshadow or your concealer just a little bit, but this seems like the perfect size, so let's give it a shot. And if you've seen any of my videos before, you know that when I apply mascara, you gotta lean back to make sure that you really do not touch your eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be doing that. I know it looks weird, but trust me, it works. This is one coat of the mascara on. It's definitely more of a thinner, almost like fluffy texture, like the formula. And I like it because when a mascara formula is too wet, that is when you get all of these smudges and these big black dots of mascara that are really difficult to take off. This formula, if you are like me and sometimes you can get a little messy with mascara, this formula seems like it kind of takes care of that whole issue. But yeah, so this is one coat of the mascara. This eye has mascara and this eye doesn't. My lashes definitely look longer and darker, but it also looks natural. Like, it doesn't really look like I'm wearing mascara in the best way possible. It just looks like I have really nice lashes. All right, let's do the other side and maybe we'll see if we can layer this up. You guys know when I do my mascara, I like to kind of blink into the wand. I feel like that helps. And then also, of course, do your little wiggle. Ooh, this is pretty. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply this on the lower lashes because obviously I feel like that's the true test for smudging. So let's try. This is what the mascara looks like on my top and bottom lashes. I feel like it just emphasizes the way that your eyelashes normally look, which I mean, obviously it's mascara. It doesn't look fake, if that makes sense. Like there's some mascaras where if someone were to see you in real life, they might, you know, immediately they might be drawn to your mascara, but for all the wrong reasons. Whereas this one, I feel like my lashes look very fluttery and light, but also still long and still dark. So I'm really into this. I'm just gonna apply some more of the lipstick. All right, so I am back and this is the finished look. If it wasn't clear already, I really like everything that I tried. I love it. I guess let's go step by step and talk about my thoughts. Again, the first thing that I tried was the signature lip in the shade Slip. I love this shade. I definitely do want to try some of their other shades. It claims to be a lightweight lipstick, meaning that you're not going to really feel it on your lips. And truly, it feels like I'm wearing a lip balm, but I still have the color that I want from a lipstick. So yes, really, really like this. The next thing that I tried was the Day Glow Highlighting Balm in the shade Cava. Again, I mean, doesn't that speak for itself? Do I even need to say anything else? I think it's kind of self-explanatory, okay? This is a winner. This is a winner. I have tried many products similar to this, but this one stands out because it doesn't have the shimmer. It is just a glow. So I really, really like this. This is definitely something I can see a lot of people gravitating towards for the spring and summer. I think it just gives your skin that really juicy look. You know, I look like I've been maybe frolicking outside in like a field of sunflowers, you know what I mean? Like you just have that nice glow. So really, really like this. Definitely recommend if you've been looking for more of a natural looking dewy type of highlighter. The next thing that I tried, and I really feel like this is the star of the show, this was the Beverly Hills Cheek Color. What I really enjoy about this blush is that it was so easy to blend, okay? Compared to other liquid and cream blushes where I feel like you have to sit there and blend your cheeks for like 5 minutes, this was so fast and you have the color payoff. You have the really nice like dewy type of finish with it. And I think this paired with the highlighter is literally, that's all you need for your cheeks. Like I'm not wearing any bronzer, any contour on my cheeks, and I feel so pretty. This shade specifically is very nice, but they do have a bunch of other shades and I want to try it. They have one that is like this terracotta color and I think that would be really, really nice for the summer. So I might have to pick that one up. And the last product that I tried today was the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. I like it. Okay, I ended up putting 2 coats on my top lashes and I feel like it looks very, very pretty. If you've seen any of my mascara videos as well, you know that I am very, very picky when it comes to mascara. I want the length, I want the volume, but I don't want clumps, and again, I don't want smudging. And this just did such a good job. So also, again, golden black. Golden black, that's all I have to say. Beautiful. So that was me trying a couple of products from Merit Beauty. If any of these items did catch your eye, I will have a link in the description where you can go and try them out, buy them for yourself, see how you like it. Spoiler alert, you will like it, okay? So yeah, if you want to check them out any further, I will have a link in the description for you. But yeah, I feel very pretty. I feel like my skin looks like my skin. Like it doesn't look like I'm wearing, you know, like a intense powder blush or an intense powder highlighter or like a super matte lip, you know? It's giving the effect that I want, but it looks natural on the skin. And I think that is just a really beautiful combination to have in makeup products. So yes, that is pretty much it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.